Hi, everyone. My name is Andy Brown, and among other things, I am the founder of Never Too Old to Start. What if I can show you the secrets to making an easy, extra 6 figures a year in income online? Welcome to SixFigureRetirementSummit.com. Never Too Old to Start is an organization dedicated to helping retirees and anyone getting close to retirement age who is not financially ready for retirement learn how to make some easy extra money online. And I received so much support for this that I'm now including all veterans, including and especially disabled veterans, and any and all salespeople who just are not making the money that they need or want to make. It has never been easier to make money online, and this means on a 24/7 basis, even while you are sleeping. I started with retirees because someone who was very close to me and my family lost her husband. When he passed away, she was in her late 60s and she was freaking out because she realized she was going to lose his monthly Social Security check and she had no idea how she was going to pay her monthly bills. This really impacted me, and I remember thinking, this is not right. After a little more research online, I was shocked to discover that millions of retirees in this country have almost no money in savings and live on their meager monthly Social Security check. That is when I started Never Too Old to Start, which is becoming a national movement. And by the way, I was there for a while, but not anymore. And I discovered the fastest, easiest way to make money online is through online course creation. It has never been easier to make money. The Six Figure Retirement Summit, which is coming up at the end of February for 3 days, is going to bring you over 30 powerful online thought leaders, marketers, and online course creators. They're going to share their stories with you and their secrets. I'm not promising you that you're going to be able to make $1 million a year when this is over. I can show you how, but that will be later. I am promising you that if you will take a small leap of faith and register for our virtual 6-figure retirementsummit.com, you will learn how to make a few extra $1,000s a month online, probably 6 figures a year, maybe even more. What would a few extra $1,000 a month do for your household budget and lifestyle? This is for the action takers, the ones who are ready to say right now, I do not believe that things have to stay this way. It can and it will get better. When registration opens, your free ticket will give you access to each day's speakers for 24 hours. After 24 hours, they'll be taken down and replaced with the next day's speakers. If you'd like to take advantage of one of our upgrade tickets for a very small fee, you can have lifetime access to all of these powerful speakers. You might even have access to our special membership site, access to an ebook with all the notes, possibly even access to our presenters' bonus secrets videos. Just by watching this, you have already proven that you are someone who is ready to take action and change. Many of your friends are going to think you're crazy. Well, let me tell you something. That never bothered me. Welcome home.